It is a delight to be able to speak to you. Taking your skills to the next level could have a tremendous impact on taking your career to the next level. Wherever I go around the world, automotive, aerospace, and consumer products companies are crying out for engineers with multi-body dynamics skills. For these companies, there is a tremendous impact in the design process if they can know the functional behavior of their new products before the first CAD model and drawing are ever made. MSc ALTEM, which is used in virtually every car and aerospace company in the world, does just that. For these companies, they have trouble hiring engineers with multi-body dynamic skills. They spend a lot of money and time training engineers to get up to speed, and definitely are eager to hire engineers coming out of school with these skills. For me, the best thing about our customers is that they make some of the coolest and avant-garde products in the world. Best wishes in your studies.
Reason 10. ALTEM is the most widely used mechanical systems simulation software. ALTEM stands for Automatic Dynamic Analysis of Mechanical Systems. It is a multi-body dynamic software that is used to study the dynamics of moving parts and to determine how loads and forces are distributed throughout mechanical systems. With 3 decades of innovation and industry leadership, companies across all industries choose ALTEM as their system dynamic solution. For example, in the automotive industry, ALTEM is often used to perform vehicle ride and handling tests, rollover predictions, and loss of control simulations, powertrain dynamic analysis, shift quality evaluation, and so on. In the aerospace industry, engineers apply ALTEM to perform dynamic analysis of the landing gear, control surface systems, takeoff and landing events, arresting cable systems, and vertical takeoff jet. In general machinery industries, ALTEM is utilized in many areas, like mining equipment, crane systems, agricultural machinery, escalator systems, gear train mechanisms, machine tools, and many more. Reason 9. System level analysis. Many problems stem from component interactions. For example, brake noise once caused a warranty issue on a certain type of car. However, the brake supplier couldn't replicate the noise on bench tests. Then by analyzing the braking system and the suspension system together in ALTEM, engineers were able to find out that during certain events, the brake was exciting a natural frequency in the suspension, which produced an audible brake moan. In this case, engineers would have never been able to solve the problem by working on the component level instead of the whole system. Reason 8. Accurately predict loads for FEA. Dynamic loads are far more difficult to predict than static loads. This is especially true in systems with multiple moving parts, complex interactions, and dynamic phenomena. Using ALTEM, engineers can calculate accurate dynamic loads applied through the system to any key component within it. Then, those loads can be used as inputs to component FEA models to get reliable results for stress analysis or fatigue analysis. Reason 7. Conveniently represent flexibility in your system. More and more, greater emphasis is being placed on high-speed, lightweight, precise mechanical systems. Often these systems will contain one or more structural components where deformation effects are paramount for design analysis. In those cases, representing the flexibility of those key components result in a more precise loading prediction and improved system performance. ALTEM allows you to create flexible parts conveniently, even in large motion systems that include complex interactions with other modeling elements. Engineers can either create a flexible component by importing MNF files from FEA software, or generate flexible parts within the ALTEM environment using the ALTEM ViewFlex capability. Reason 6. Design confidently with accurate mechanical models for control system modeling. Nearly every mechanical system includes one or more control systems. By using ALTEM controls, you can take your geometrically defined ALTEM models and easily incorporate them within block diagrams you have created with your preferred control systems design software, such as EZ5, MATLAB Simulink, or FMI-supported tools. Reason 5. Accelerate innovation by exploring multiple design concepts. Optimization analysis is important in every design process. Using ALTEM and ALTEM Insight, your design team can quickly understand the simulation that was run, investigate which factors have the greatest effect on each response, and easily make design changes and immediately understand how these changes will affect the overall performance of your design. Reason 4. Productivity package for machinery components, modeling, and simulation. ALTEM Machinery is an analysis software package that is specifically focused on machine design. It allows other users to build functional virtual prototypes from typical machinery components much faster and to predict system dynamic responses with high fidelity. Reason 3. Real dynamics for vehicle design and testing. With the ALTEM car products, engineering teams can quickly build and test functional virtual prototypes of complete vehicles and vehicle subsystems. Working in this environment, automotive engineering teams can exercise their vehicle designs under various road and testing rig conditions, performing the same tests that they normally run in a test lab or a test track, but in a fraction of the time. Reason 2. Powerful customization functionality. Another advantage of ALTEM is its openness of architecture, which provides the ability to customize. This is heavily used by many companies to extend the capabilities of ALTEM and to integrate it into their process workflows. All functional and simulation steps can be customized and extended from the interface to automation scripts for modeling, solving, and post-processing, all tailored to your specific application. Reason 1. Every engineer can evaluate and manage the complex interactions between disciplines, including motion, structures, actuation, and controls, to better optimize their product design for performance, safety, and comfort. ALTEM improves engineering efficiency and reduces product development costs by enabling early system-level design validation.